Hello, this is Steve George with Qlik's Gold Client team. In this short video, I want to share content about what actions can be taken when an export fails due to memory. The agenda will consist of these items: what is the problem, the root cause, the solution, and available resources. The problem is that exports may fail because there is no more memory available. The failure will likely generate one of the short dumps listed below, but others are possible. The root cause is the SAP server has no more memory it can allocate to the export process. This result is more likely to occur when significant quantities of data are being exported. To resolve, it is important to know on which data type the failure occurred. Go to SM37, select the failed job, display the log, and go to the last page. In this example from Qlik's test system, this data type failed when trying to export 1 million records, and its package size is set at 1 million, and so it must be lowered. The general advice is to reduce the package size in half, so in this case to 500,000. Here is another example where FI loans failed with a package size of 100,000. Since this export was for around 27,000 loans, the package size must be lowered to less than this value, and so the recommendation would be to use 20,000 or even 15,000. To update the config, go to the Gold Client dashboard and select the Configuration button. On the next screen, open the Administration folder and select the Memory Optimization executable. In the Header Table Package Size column, update the values accordingly. Freely ignore the Collection per Unit of Work column, as it is not relevant to this failure. Save your changes and exit the config. Run the failed export again to check if it completes successfully. If not, additional changes to the memory config may be warranted. Be aware that Qlik's recommended package size is 20,000, but some exceptional data types are more suited to use higher or lower settings than this. Qlik advises not lowering package sizes to less than 5,000. If failures occur with this package size, then other solutions should be deployed and Qlik support can assist. Some additional content is available within the Configuration and Utilities User Guide located on Qlik's Help website. If memory-related issues persist, submit a support case and be sure to include the job log and related short dump for analysis purposes. Have a tremendous day.